Good afternoon. So today we are going to be finding some odors in Meep City. Now you know there's a lot of odors, like this guy right here, I'm pretty sure he's an odor. That guy right there, pretty sure. That girl right there, I'm not sure, but maybe. So I set up this outfit and that Meep so that, I can get some attention. So we're going to start off with this server, and we're just going to try and get someone's attention. Like you see, this guy's already sort of walking up to me. Let's see if he sends a friend request. Yep, there it is. Let's accept that. Already starting. I'm just going to start with a hey. Keep it cool for now so that, he doesn't notice. I'm just going to say, can I help you? You got a man? No, I don't. Sadly. Oh, sure, but okay, guys. So then I'm going to tell him that this is a video and he is an odor. I'm gonna message him to teleport. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Let's just wait a few. Let's just go back here. Now let's... Oh Lord, he's going into there. Hey, I got to tell you. He has no idea what is in store for him. So, there is no easy way to say. Wow! You're on camera, bro. Oh, it's not gonna let me say it. Okay, let's remove him as a friend. Poor guy. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you on the next Oh Dear video.